What's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing As I Am featuring Khalid is by Justin Bieber. Make sure your guitar's in center tuning, put your cap on fret number 4, and let me show you the chords for this. Alright, so the intro is based off of this B note. Right, we're just going to be playing that the whole time, and then we hammer on the first phrase. So I want you to get that timing, and then you hammer on. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hammer on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hammer on. Okay, so you hammer on the 8th note. So we have the chords E minor. Sorry, we have the chords G, E minor, C. Alright, so we have G, E minor, sorry, G, E minor, C, hammer on, C, D, E minor again, and then you hammer on G, E minor, sorry, G, E minor, C, hammer on D, E minor, hammer on. So it's pretty simple. Now let me show you the chords. For E minor, we're playing E, sorry, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then for G, we're playing 3, 2, open, 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 3. Alright, and then for your C, we're playing open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then for D, we are playing open, 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 3, sorry, open, 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 2, 3, 2. Okay, so we have our G, and we're plucking strings 6, 3, 6, 4, 3, 2, just to keep that 2 in, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, and then we go to E minor. For E minor, we're plucking 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay? To C. So you just pluck this once and then you go to C. So C, that's 1, 2, 3, hammer on, 1, 2, 3, D. Okay, so you did this 3 times, hammer on, 3 times, you go to D. D, we are plucking strings 4, 3, 2. And we are not going to be holding the B string or the 3rd fret of the B string as you would with D, because we want to keep this open, alright? So you're just holding the 3rd string, yeah. So we have, sorry, let's just start over G. Back to E minor, 3, 4. Okay, so E minor 4 times. So let's do that together. G, E minor, C, hammer on, C, D, E minor, hammer on, G. That's it. You just keep doing that over and over and over. And if you're a beginner guitarist, you might want to just strum through, okay? So your verse is the following chords. So you have an E minor, G, E minor, C, C, D, E minor. And you can keep that B string open and just try to strum to that only. Nothing lower than that. Alright, then we get into sometime. And then the strumming becomes a little bit faster. Take me as I am. I'm not going anywhere. So here we're strumming. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And you can put emphasis on the chord changes, right? G, E minor, C, is basically it for this song, guys. I guess it's gonna be the same thing for the rest of the song. Yeah, it's the same chords the whole time. Even though you were never there for me when I needed it, what, it's gonna be the same. So yeah, have fun. Just subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.